like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Guys, today I'm here with a mystery box. I think I paid $32.50 for this box. And this is from Kong Wholesale. And I got it off of their whatnot shop. Okay? And it's 20 items. They tell you it's 20 items for that. You know, it's not like the regular box where it's filled to the top. Just so you know. And the first thing I'm getting is a brush by Sonia Kashuk. And I'm not going to open this stuff because I'm probably... And it has a plastic cover over it so that you can... After you wash it, you can just stand it in there. Which is kind of cool. And I won't open this stuff because probably most of it's going to end up in my store. There's 100% natural EOS organic lip balm. I have to put my glasses on for this. I hate to do this, but... Okay. Then we have NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink Liner. Mineral UV Tint Face Liquid. And it's 30 tinted sunscreen. Oh, and that was by Neutrogena, by the way. And here is an e.l.f. eyelash curler. And another e.l.f. eyelash curler. Okay, we have Duo. This is eyelash glue. Which I'm scared to use. Terrified. And we have, what is this one? Oh, this is Bare Minerals Original Liquid Concealer. And it's in that color. This is Honest Extreme Volume Mascara Bold Lash Primer. This is mascara primer. Oh, mascara and primer. You get it in one box. Okay, then I got this all up, I think. Okay, I got 4 little pencils here, and that one's NYX. These 3 are NYX, and they're all the same color. And then, I don't know what this one is. It says liner on it. But I don't know who it's by. I can't see who it's by. I don't know. I can't tell, but that's the color. Okay, now here's one. It's the same thing. No, it's not. Okay. And here's a long wear lip liner from Revlon. And here is CoverGirl Clean Invisible Loose Powder. Cheek Heat Maybelline. Oh, Cheek Heat by Maybelline. Duh. Okay. And this is Voluminous Primer Base. Mascara Amplifier Conditions and Volumes. So that's just the volumizer by itself. And here's some Falsies Lash Lift. Then we have Essence Juicy Balm. Just a lip balm. have a flavor on it. Shiny lip gloss, it says. Doesn't have a flavor. Then we have Bare Minerals Original Liquid Concealer. So here's 2 more concealers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Just all. Wait, something fell off. I think something fell off. Oh, here it is. No, that's my scissors. Oh, here was the last thing. So anyway, that is my 20-piece beauty box. I paid $32 for it, and I got it off Whatnot. So come on back. All the information will be down below. Bye.